Here's a tip for you. If you're thinking about getting a Toyota Tacoma, this is a Toyota Tacoma, and I'm not sure if all of them are the same or not, but on your tailgate, make sure you lock your tailgate. You don't lock your tailgate, somebody could steal it, and it only takes a few seconds to undo this, and this just pops up, just lifts up and pops up, and somebody's got to disconnect the a light. No, I don't think there's actually. Oh yeah, there is. There's a lit area, I think. Let's just see what the deal is. Yeah, there's a little. I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. There's a light there. I don't know why there's an actual light right here. But you can pull this up, and somebody, if they want to steal your tailgate, all you have to do is cut that wire and then lift this up, undo the sides, and then they can just lift this right out of a slot. There's a slot. Where is it? That slot right there. See, all you have to do is lift that up on both sides, and in less than two or 3 minutes, somebody could steal your tailgate. I was talking to my brother a few months ago, and he had a friend who had a Toyota Tacoma, and he had his tailgate stolen, and it was a fairly new truck. I think he spent between $1,200 and $1,400 for a new tailgate because it was already pre-painted and everything, all because he didn't have this locked. Guess you turn it to the right. Keep that locked. I know it's something that you might forget to do, but you want to keep that locked. And then anytime you want to use your tailgate, okay, do the extra effort, open it, get your key out, and then before, whatever you pull out of here, before you do anything, get your key out and lock it. Now they have kits. My brother, he got a Toyota Tacoma, and he bought some sort of kit that someone installed, and I don't know if he got it from Toyota or if he got it from someplace else. It cost him like $250 or something, and it automatically keeps it locked without using your key. I'm not sure how it all works, but there's a different way to do it that way as well. Okay, don't get caught having somebody steal your tailgate because you were senseless enough to not lock it. Okay, there's a tip for you, and it's a good tip that'll save you a lot of hassle and headache, and it'll also save you at least $1,200, maybe more. Okay, so don't forget. Now I'll show you what that stuff is on a different video. And I went to the store and returned some stuff. I got $229 back for all that stuff I returned, and I got that stuff over there. I'm going to show you that later, and I got some other stuff here. I've got a lighted switch where part of that lights up, and I'm going to install that in a storage room, and I'll show you that on a different video too. It's pretty easy to do. And look at this one. It's a 3-way lighted switch. I wasn't sure if they had those, and sure enough they do. 3-way, what's that? Well, it's a switch that's controlled by 2 different switches, a light that's controlled by 2 different switch locations, and I'll show you how to hook one of those up too on a different video. And check this out. This is a dimmer switch, and I thought they just had these for single pole, just a one location, but I've got this one here because I wanted it for a 3-way, and look, This one happens to be for single pole or three-way. And I just wanted it dimmed at one location of the three-way switch, and yes, I can do that. I can install one, or if you want a dimmer at both three-way locations, you can get two dimmers and do that. I'm kind of curious how to hook this up, and I've never done one of these before. I didn't even know they had a switch like this, a three-way lit or a three-way dimmer switch. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that on a different video too. So stick around, keep watching my videos.